Good day, everyone. Today we're going to conduct a stress test. But before that, what is a stress test and what is it for? Stress testing is a software testing approach that assesses a system or application under high workloads. This testing helps to uncover the system's weak areas when it fails to respond or crashes. It also aids in detecting performance issues like slowdowns, memory leaks, and other unexpected behaviors.
It also checks whether the system can recover while returning to the normal stage or not. The main purpose of a stress testing is to check the recoverability of the system, program, device, or network.
Here, we are going to use Cinebench R23 to conduct stress tests. Cinebench is other well-known free benchmark utility that you may have seen in a various review. Cinebench is a benchmarking tool used to measure the performance of computer CPU and graphic card, and the score is dependent on various factors such as the number of CPU cores, clock speed, and memory bandwidth.
And it's one of the most accurate tests. Has new features like easily testing single core performance and will automatically disable itself if your PC doesn't have the required RAM to run it.
There are also many other computer stress test software that works well as Cinebench, like AITA64, BlazeMeter, MemTest, HeavyLoad, and etc. But in this video, we are going to use Cinebench.
You want to input this link, I will put the link below in the comment section and it will take us to the Cinebench R23 website where you can download the application. You can choose Windows or MacOS, but our system is Windows, so we will choose Windows. And you will click here in order for it to download. Okay, now it's done downloading. You will want to go to your file manager and extract the file. Okay, now that it's done extracting, you will want to open the Cinebench application. Once the application has loaded, you may want to read the software license agreement. After that, you may click accept. So now we are in the application Cinebench R23. So you will want to click the CPU multi-core. Wait. Let me pause for a second. Why CPU multi-core? Well,
Click the one next to CPU multi-core to test your system's multi-core capabilities and CPU single-core to test its single-core capabilities. The core's primary function is to read and execute instructions. These instructions can be of several forms, including calculations, data transmission, branching, etc. A processor with a single core is called a unicore processor, but a processor with two or more cores is called a multi-core processor. In these stress tests, we are going to use multi-core because our device is a multi-core processor.
okay, now that the question has been answered, you would want to click start on the multi-core CPU. When it says running and the screen is black, it indicates that it's already starting. So you want to press the keys Control Alt Delete to open Task Manager. Now that Task Manager is running, you would want to go to the performance in order to see your CPU, memory, and GPU performance. This stress test may take a while, so be ready to do other activities such as doing your homework and other stuff. After the stress test, our device got a score of 1565. For decent gaming performance, you should make sure that you are above 1000 Cinebench R23 core points. For 3D rendering, then again, the higher the multi-core score, the better. But anything above 20k multi-core points will allow you to render complex scenes in no time. So our score or results that our computer got was 1565 points. It passed the gaming performance but have had a very low score on 3D rendering. And also, if you're wondering what our device specs are, it is a Intel Core i5 8th Gen while having 8 gigs of RAM. So hopefully this helps you in creating or doing a stress test with your device. Thank you, and that's all. Thank you for watching the video.